gone ahead and mixed up all of our mortar. We're going to go ahead and place what we need into the repair area. As you can see, this is similar to damp sand. It has a bit of a light fluffy feel to it, so it's going to be important to spread it and then tamp it down, compress it into place to ensure that we've got the compaction we need for the strength that we're looking for. Okay, I will get to a point where I've got this material as flat as I can get it. And then because of the nature of epoxy mortars, it's going to want to drag on my trowel. So the best thing I can do is break the surface tension so that my trowel doesn't drag. We're going to use a little denatured alcohol on our trowel in a spray bottle. That's going to help us achieve that. Light mist on the trowel. Now it'll trowel more like concrete. Troweling the material relatively tight to try to close it up. We don't have a porous surface. Placement is complete, and now we have to wait 6 hours for this product to dry. Once it's fully cured, we're going to go ahead and grind the overfilled portion of this material down flush with the floor surface to provide a transition-free repair. Okay, so the Armor Hard product has been placed, troweled in place, flattened out, smoothed out, and we waited the appropriate amount of time for it to fully cure. Minimum 6 hours, a little bit longer is always better. Make sure the product is good and hard. And we're going to go ahead and use a angle grinder with a cup wheel to grind down the overfill. The idea here is what we'd like to do is have a transition-free surface, so we'll remove the overfill so that there is no transition in this defect at all.